with the carnivores,
Do you want to share your ideas with these? Can you come off your netbooks, please, and listen, because you're brainstorming at the moment. So, do you want to just explain your ideas again, because they were good?
like it would be humans, the habitat, whether or not they were carnivores, slums, or if the mice.
Habitat as in forests, oceans.
Hair, and then you've got like a badger.
So, what are you coming up? No, you're not researching at the minute. What are you coming up with then? If you're coming up with animal names, so what kind of area are you looking for research? How are you breaking up the idea of a nocturnal animal? Share the idea between yourselves. So what areas have you come up with?
Little underground caves, moles.
So you're talking about habitat now, where animals live.
5 animals.
So you're thinking, well, we could split it into 5 animals and just take an animal each and research in that vast animal.
The bat, hedgehog, owl, badger, and mole.
Carry on talking.
BBC.
What ideas have this group come up with?
We've come up with what do they do in the day, what kind of animals are nocturnal,
Types of animals, activities, diets.
where do they live,
What do you call that?
habitats.
Anything else? How many was that?
That was 4. And then what we're going to locate them all around the world.
So habitat and also where in the world.
Yeah. I'm going to do the diet. No, she's doing diet.
There's loads of on my desk.
Whatever you do, when you find something, you need to feed it back to your group so they can take the information.
That will be LS. That will be good for yours. They're very good at hiding. Badgers go out at night. People. Read that again. It will be good for yours because they're very good at hiding. Adults can grow up to 36 long and usually weighs from 22 to 27 lbs.
Way of getting massive amounts of information in your group. Because you've only got 2 minutes left.
I've got they eat anything you give them, so like if you give them like dried fruits or berries, they just like. What are you talking about, the hamsters? Yeah, hamsters. So like if you just like give them some food, like they'll eat it. Because I used to have like a hamster, then I used to have 2. And then it just like ate anything that like sometimes that I dropped in the floor or something. Yeah. Me and Jim was thinking about was doing badgers, and badgers can eat up to 700 earthworms per day. I did I found out its natural habitat is the rainforest. The diet that it eats nuts, insects, larvae, fruits, and the other facts, because there's a lot on there. What's in the bubble? And then they eat rodents, rabbits, mice and bats and birds and little like animals like that. And rubbish from birds. Rubbish from bins. Veg, fish and frogs. What about frogs, Mum? That before. Say that.
Has Holly fed back yet?
Yeah.
Yes?
Have you found out that frogs are frog? Do you know that they eat? No, not really. I don't. So you have to check your ID. Next week, maybe you can check that. Yeah, so would you actually think that foxes kill their young? No. They do. They do it. That's just me. I wouldn't think that eyes actually steal when they're not in the habitat. Go out and steal stuff.
Do you have a question about that, Lucy?
Why would you get? Yeah. Why would you kill the young?
Is that something you might want to find out about?
Yeah, that'd be. Yeah. And what I want to find about is more things about hamsters because I didn't get a lot of time to learn about hamsters. And what I really want to learn